How to track a USPS package without a tracking number. Here's what you have to do. Open up the browser on your PC and search for USPS informed delivery. I'm gonna explain how this works. Click on the first link that pops up. Right here, you will see how this works. Basically, you will receive information about all of the packages coming to your address. You will need to create an account. You will need to verify your identity and watch out for updates. So here you just want to click on sign up for free. Now it's going to ask you for your email address. So I'm just going to provide that real quick and we can proceed. I'm going to click on continue here. Okay, so what type of account are we going to be creating? I would like to track and manage mail at my residential address. That is if you are opening a personal account, and also you have the option for business account if you have a business address, but mine is a personal account. Alright, so right here, what we have to do is put our address. So you will just type out your address in this field. The second address is not mandatory. The city is mandatory, and also the state. Which state are you in? And your zip code. You should also provide that. Now, once you type this out, you will click on search address. Afterwards, it's going to ask you to verify your identity, and you will have successfully signed up, and you can track your packages or the packages coming to your address through this website. And that's how it works. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.